and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and it's time for tip and trick number 31. We're at 31. 100 still seems so far away, but we'll see how we go. We're getting there. So today's tip and trick is in relation to a double-sided painting that you may get. So I've pinched this one, borrowed. It is going back. Borrowed this one from an unboxing that will be coming on my other channel, which is Add More Zest with Diamonds, because this is a double-sided tape painting that has come all rolled up, has come in a protective film and all the rest of it. But this is how you can help to store double-sided tape paintings into your normal stash. Now, you can keep them rolled up, and there will be a tip and trick that involves keeping them rolled up when you're working with a large painting, especially a large double-sided tape painting, so do stay tuned. That will be later on this week. But if you store your paintings hung up in any way, so for example, these are some of my square paintings, I store them hung up, and this is quite a simple tip and trick, has been out for a while, about how you can get your paintings to lie flat so that you can store them flat, whether that be hung up on a hanger or whether that be in an art folder. So this one is quite tightly rolled, so you can sort of loosen it off the roll. So this is easy whim. I've included some bits and pieces in here, but as I say, there will be a full unboxing on my other channel. But of course, even when you unroll it, you end up with, you know, it not lying flat. Basically, it doesn't want to lie flat with the tape. So it's quite simple with a double-sided tape. If you start getting the corner, it's kind of advisable to start just peeling it up. Now, sometimes these are sections, so you will need to do it in multiple sections. But to just start peeling the cover off, don't let it get all the way to the end, because you don't want to take the whole thing off, because it never lines up right. How much more have I got to go? Not a lot. So I'm going to peel it as far back as I sort of can. I've still got a section here that's flat, and I'll deal with that side in a minute. But then just push the paper back on, preferably the right way. Push the paper back on and just let it fall back where it wants to go, and then do the same on the opposite side. So you can do this in two halves. You don't have to do it, you know, quite a long gap and then the other gap, and then just push that back, and there you go. You have your diamond plating flat, ready to hang. Quite simple with double-sided tape. In relation to getting it flat, this part will just flatten by itself. This is the part without glue. That will just flatten. You can put it on a book or something else, but quite often by the time you hang it up with your other diamond paintings, the other diamond paintings will help it to lie flat. In turn, if you do put them into a folder with other diamond paintings, just sit them on the top and they will do the last bit for you. But yeah, very simple, from tightly rolled to flat, ready to work on if you're working on it straight away. If not, it's ready to go into your stash for when you are ready to work on it, which sometimes can be years, depending on how many diamond paintings you've got. But as long as you enjoy the process and you enjoy the shopping, what does that matter? So yeah, that is my tip and trick for today. It is one that has been around for a while, but there are many newbies. So there will be a few that don't know about that one. But stay tuned on my recommendation for working with double-sided tape paintings that are big, because that does change things a little bit. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.